Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sync photos or videos with beats in Capcut. So here I've already added photos, and the next thing that you need to do is just add the song or the music and click on add audio and find the right songs for your edits. So let's say I'm going to add let's try this. Just click on the arrow down to download the music first, then click on the plus icon. Okay, after that let's mark the beats. So just click on the music here. Now find this flag icon, this beats icon, beats menu, and then after that click on auto generate, and Capcut will adding the beats first. We'll mark the beats. So you guys can see here the yellow dots on the song is the beats that has been marked by Capcut. So here you can also adjust the intensity of the beats on your own. Just click on the check icon, and to sync the audio or the photos with beats, you can just adjust the length of each photo to align with the yellow mark. So I'm going to align it like this, each photos. So it depends on how much videos or photos you use. So just align it with the yellow mark like this, and you are done. So when you hear it, the the photos will sync with the beats of the song. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.